Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm super excited to show you how I managed to get unlimited coins and gems in Baseball 9 using an incredible method I recently discovered. This trick has totally changed the game, and I'm thrilled to share it with you. First things first, let me open up the game to prove that it really works. As you can see, my resources are practically unlimited. I have so many coins and gems that I can buy and upgrade everything in the game without any worries. This really makes the game so much more enjoyable and fun. The best part is that this method is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, just like on my iPhone. You don't need to do any complicated steps like jailbreaking or rooting your device, which makes it super convenient and safe. The process is straightforward and easy to follow. Alright guys, let's get started with the tutorial. Make sure to watch the video closely and follow each step carefully. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First, head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. RocketMods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Baseball 9 and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.